This student passed his driving test today with only one minor error. What was that? He was driving on the main road and he approached a traffic light. The traffic light suddenly turned yellow. It was a 60 zone and he was too close to the traffic light. He had a rough brake, a bit of rough brake, and he stopped at the yellow light and he stopped over the solid white line at the traffic lights. The examiner gave him one minor mark for bad judgment for stopping where he could have gone through the traffic light. Remember, for every traffic light, for every yellow light, you don't have to stop for every yellow light. It depends on two things: your speed and your distance to the traffic light. If your speed is not much, not too fast, and your distance to the traffic light is long enough for you to have a nice and smooth brake, yes, stop. But if you are very close to the traffic light, your speed is fast and your distance to the traffic light is short and you might have a rough brake, in that case you can go. And even if you have a rough brake, the other dangerous situation that might happen is that the car behind you might hit you. So depending on your speed and your distance to the traffic light, make that judgment and decide if you stop or if you go through the traffic light.